Good luck, dear graduates. Congratulations and God bless you all.
Thank you very much, ma'am. That was indeed moving and inspiring.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, one of the highlights of the program is the distribution of certificates to the graduates. Now I request our distinguished guests and all school administrators, together with the barangay officials, to award the certificates to our graduates.
Inulit ko po, inanyayahan po namin ang ating panawing pandangal, pati ang ating mga bisita, and ang ating mga barangay officials para po